NEOS VR, a social metaverse experience you have to try. NEOS Metaverse is a virtual reality platform that is community-driven. It provides various means to establish your virtual subject and experiences. Do you want to know about this social metaverse? If so, you must keep watching this video until the end and subscribe to MetaGen for more, because here, we are covering everything about NEOS VR. Here we begin. In NEOS VR, you can create anything. Yes, you heard it right. Whether you are a creator, a teacher looking for new paths to immerse your students, or you only wish to associate and find new companions, everyone can create it here. You just have to join their society of entrepreneurs, creators, and educators, and simply support the goal to give variety, creation, and efficient freedom. NEOS VR may be frightening to some, but with its elaborateness comes so much more that you can accomplish and build. To our surprise, the prospects are extensive regarding avatar and globe customization. Of course, it all depends on your creative side. If you can script and manipulate it, you can create it. Also, you will find that this app accentuates an in-app inventory, which you can put up with various appliances with you in any realm. You aren't restricted to only utilizing the underpinnings that the individual world gives you. Now, let's talk about some of the gadgets or props that are the Pokeball ball. That name sounds interesting, doesn't it? You can use it to catch your friends. You will find that they seem like a small edition of their avatar in Pokeball ball. Other gadgets will include a reliable corgi and a weather device that you can generate to expand weather to any diagram you're in. All of these are user man-made achievements. Coming to the downsides, you will find that there is so much independence and customization that it can be frightening and not user-friendly. Still, you will discover that the community of NEOS is very civil, and the app shows a tutorial realm that will assist you in walking through the different controls, the UI, and the avatar setup. You just have to make sure, like many social apps, that you establish a NEOS account to be apt to protect any articles you may have expanded to your index, as well as any avatars you've expanded. Have you ever expected to build your virtual world of NEOS, which is created to provide ultimate flexibility and efficient control? You will see that it's with its influential engine, NEOS delivers everything you want to establish extraordinary virtual worlds and experiences. You need to arrange your avatar in the game, collaborate in real time, drift any 3D asset in seconds, and generate your innovations to life with a developed visual scripting tool. Let's discuss what NEOS VR allows you to generate. First of all, you can create a collaborative read-time moment without seizing your headset off. You can even add developed interchanges using the influential visual scripting language. Furthermore, you can seamlessly toggle between NEOS and desktop. Therefore, NEOS Metaverse is the first public VR outlet that authorizes you to import, create, and revise your avatar totally in-game. Moreover, you can even utilize NEOS to dance, party, or cooperate with others in a true feeling of existence, just like in real life. So, you can utilize NEOS Metaverse to join your friends in an immersive and entertaining setting. You can even uncover people with similar interests and fascinations just like yours. Well, this is not the end. You can also play games and analyze an enormous arrangement of virtual worlds. NEOS VR is for everyone. As I mentioned, it is for all educators, creators, and such. Why is there a need for early access? NEOS VR program is a program with high intentions. It is nowadays being expanded by a solitary creator with the assistance of an industry supporter to deal with the runnings of a startup and all the aspects around it. As such, several of its details aren't yet completely advanced. Others are, however, in the prototyping phase and impossible to utilize, and several of its subsystems aren't yet available at all. A good piece of time is nowadays being dedicated to establishing some subject for the network as well. We anticipate that the program will grow within the following year, particularly with the assistance of the neighborhood. As they proceed to function on it, it'll slowly keep coming to be more reliable and well-rounded, available for more and more applications. One of the creators feels that the newcomer doesn't require the mentality of this might have a few fundamental usability problems that need to be conscious of when functioning with NEOS. They will put it out of early access. Still, we anticipate this to be a very incremental process. While NEOS have yet to have a well-distinguished wide version, there will still be constantly more characteristics, content, and strategies to add. Various major elements will be expanded to the system. The major one is influential dynamic loading and synchronization of consoles, rather than preloading them explicitly as mods. Still, for safety reasons, they discontinued this element until they incorporated Chromium Sandbox. The creators are also functioning on many other subsystems that will give rise to NEOS useful as a VR art and music room, such as animation, editing audio, and integration with more hardware, as well as interfacing with other languages, scripts, and equipment to broaden the apparent applications of the policy. But the main thing is that the body has been established over the years, being eligible to operate for hours without collisions or synchronization omissions, with just limited rare bugs that are left to hunt down. You can facilitate your committee or students to cooperate in a normal and profitable way. You can build learning experiences that give more than a textbook and can assist your organization or businesses in establishing committing virtual content and assessing your theories in a stable and immersive environment. This metaverse can assist you in operating a collective virtual reality endeavor at low expenses. You can join and interact with others in a virtual classroom or department via a comfortable peer-to-peer connection. Also, you can carry your brainstorming trials, workout, and workshops to a modern dimension. There are advanced avatar system permits for importing, building, and customizing avatars entirely. The NEOS enhanced facial and body pursuit, haptic acknowledgement, interactive dynamic bones, and a complete configurable full-body IK network with up to 11 tracking points so everyone can watch and respond to your facial moods and body language, sending you even closer to those who you're cooperating with. Here, a virtual camera captures images, stereo, and 360 videos with configurable determination. Therefore, it is an easy media sharing that immediately introduces music comprising YouTube links, images, and 3D criteria like friend notifications, can inform you whether your companions are online, and which realms are first person in a manner that will provide you of the perspective of your virtue, so you can interact with this real-time, fully functional equipment and gadgets. In addition, you will find that the Hard Persons mode allows you to see your avatar when associating or creating content. You can easily toggle between your desktop and VR, and there's no restart needed. Not only this, there is a developed locomotion network, walking, sliding, zero-G, circular gravity, and more. You can easily find teleporters, custom coordinate spaces, force fields, springs, and portals. In addition, there's sharp in-game scaling which you can shrink or prosper to any scale. NEOS is a creative metaverse device constructed to simulate social VR applications growth. It is created on top of a novel scripting device that incorporates engine reasoning, synchronization, asynchronous employment, and asset processing into a seamless sum. So now you must understand that this platform provides engineers, creators, or scientists the proficiency to concentrate on their behavior before their innovations and what makes them useful, with computerized support for a variety of VR equipment functionality, online collaboration, or multiplayer both for the growth and the platform. So that's all for today. What do you think about NEOS VR? Did you like it? Let me know in the comments. Make sure to subscribe and smash the bell icon below to get more uploads like this. Thanks for watching.